Congratulations, Simran. Next, I call upon Master Manjit Sanjay Fardegaonkar from Standard 10th C. He has been awarded late Shri Pandurang N. Nagvekar Prize to the best NCC cadet boy for Standard 9. Next,
declare the Best House Award of 2024 to 25. Students, any guesses? I can hear red. It is the Green House, scoring 525 points. And the main leader was teacher Sratisha R. Gavas, second leader Nikita D. Naik, other members Supriya D. Kedekar, Vishaya M. Patil, Nolaska Fernandez, Parchuram K. Sangekar. I request Thank you. Congratulations to all the winners. Your hard work and dedication have truly paid off.
आनंद जाता की पयलीं एक इश्कॉल म्हणजे फक्तच एकाडेमीक इतलेंच हातून आमी पळयताले पूण आज भुरग्यांचो सर्वांगीण विकास ह्या दृश्टीन जेन्ना आमी पळयता तेन्ना आमकां एक गोश्टीचो आनंद जाता की आमच्या भुरग्यांनी अभ्यासान तर बरें केलाच पूण खेळा मळाचेर खूब बरी नामना जोडलेली आसा.
Before I announce the winner of Raghunath Mashilkar Award, let me tell you about one more prize which is not being mentioned. It is Shamkant Kholkar Prize, which is awarded every year. But this year, somehow this prize is not as per the guidelines given by him. So, it is not being considered. Now, as far as the second prize is concerned, Dr. Raghunath Mashilkar Award for the best teacher, this prize is given as per the guidelines of Dr. Raghunath Mashilkar. Now, it also takes into account the overall performance of the teacher during the whole year and also otherwise. So, on this basis, this year Best Teacher Award for 2023-24 is given to Mrs. Riya Narvekar.
Congratulations, Mrs. Riya Narvekar.
Mrs. Narvekar, please come to the desk and collect your prize from the chief guest.
Thank you, sir. And now it is time.
These guests, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to be a part of this evening annual social gathering of this school, basically for two reasons. The first one is, this year Sharda English High School is celebrating its 60th year of establishment, celebrating its Diamond Jubilee year, and this is Diamond Jubilee year Diamond Jubilee social gathering. The second reason, of course, is because my fond memories of my annual social gathering during my school time, they are refreshed. And I can now just imagine how anxiously we were waiting for this day to come every year when we were in the school. So I take this opportunity to compliment and congratulate the managing committee, the teaching and non-teaching staff members, students of this school on your Diamond Jubilee celebration, and wish you all the very best in all your future endeavors. Just now we have heard Sri Palang outlining their plans for 75th year celebration and centenary year celebrations, and what will be their target for next 40 years. I had never been to this school earlier, but I heard a lot from my classmates, my batchmates when we were at Farmagudi. And just before this function, during the informal discussion also, I could know so many facets of this school. In 1930, the school started with operations of village library, the community library. Just imagine that time there was no WhatsApp किंवा Facebook तसले काय नासताले, and to keep a track of what is happening all around the world and in the country and even in Goa, there was a necessity of a common place where गांवचे तरणाटे आणि गांवचे मातशे बुदवंत सांचे एक कडेन मेळून डिस्कशन करून कितें घडटा, खंय कितें घडटा, बुलेटिनाचेर कितें आयलां, बुलेटिन वॉज न्यूजपेपर दॅट टायम. दोज एक्सचेंजीस could take place and people were updated about the current affairs every day during that time. After liberation in 1961, Sharda Mandir embarked upon the journey of establishing a school in 1964, and for last 60 years they are tirelessly working on this objective of educating generations after generations of the community and doing a good job. I was carefully listening to the report presented by the headmistress. It was a very long report, of course, but rightly it had to be very long. The performance and the attainments by various students were quite numerous, and it was not only in the field of academics or curricular activities, but equally in the field of co-curricular activities and extracurricular activities, maybe in sports or cultural or even Gumat Aarti, all these type of activities which are typically the forte of the generations from villages. They have rightly nurtured the talents of the younger generation from this place, and always they have strived, the teachers and the management have strived to bring out the best from the younger generation from this place.